friends, this video is for all the new parents out there. Today I'm going to show you my baby's wardrobe. My baby is now 5 months old, and this wardrobe will help you arrange all the clothes of your baby from 0 months to 6 months old. Actually, I have brought this wardrobe. In fact, I have bought this wardrobe from Amazon.com. It's very economical and costs only around 1500 rupees. It is made up of fabric shelves with a steel body. My baby's wardrobe is having 6 shelves, and I have arranged it as per my needs. So I would like to show you my baby's wardrobe so that you get an idea how to arrange your baby's wardrobe. Definitely you might be having all different ideas of creative ideas. I want all of you to share with me, comment, and give me some more ideas as to how you all arrange your baby's wardrobe. So let us have a tour of my baby's wardrobe now. So friends, this is the wardrobe which I bought for my baby. It's an excellent one. I like the design. I've taken the blue one with the fish on top of it for kids. You can see I have kept some toys over it because this is a baby's wardrobe, and it is having a zip. You can open it and close it. It's having some side pockets where you can keep your baby's some like booties, mittens, caps, everything you can keep in it. So I have kept some her hair bands in it for now, right now. And it is having wheels, so you can move your baby's wardrobe easily from one. So you can move this wardrobe from one room to another. It is very easy to carry, and you'll enjoy it definitely. Now let me show you what I have arranged in my baby's wardrobe. So let me open it for you all. See what I have arranged. There are so many shelves in this little one. So many shelves, so many clothes fitting into it. So in the top one I have kept my baby's essentials, daily essentials, like her blankets. There are 3 of her blankets, her wash clothes here, her towels here. So this we take every day for her bath time. Absorbable cloths are also there here. So as we use it every day, so I have kept it in the upper rack. It will be useful for my mom also to take it when I am not available for my baby, as I go to work every day. And in her second shelf I have kept some different types, like this is her pants and tops. These are her romper sets. These are her some of another type of rompers again. So these are her frocks. These are her frock models. I have arranged it in different racks, different one. These are her sleep suits, which I have different types, different colors. She enjoys wearing sleep suits. And these are her daily wear, small pants and shorts. And so for your baby of 0 to 6 months old, this wardrobe is excellent. You will definitely enjoy arranging it as I am doing it. So again, there are some frocks, party wears and ethnic wears which I have arranged in the lower shelves. See, there are some of it here and some here in the baseline. I'll show you one wonderful her ethnic wear which I enjoy a lot. I love it in fact. See this one. I bought this from firstcry.com. It is a lehenga for my baby girl, yellow and purple color. I bought it from firstcry.com. It costed me around 4,000 rupees, but definitely cost effective for me because it is a festival wear. I made my baby to wear it on her naming ceremony. I have kept a video of her naming ceremony also. You can go through it. Yes, just yesterday I bought this frock. It is in fact a gift from my mom to her. And we have also, she wore it today in fact, as today is Dasara. She wore it today. Today is a festival. I'm at home. We have taken her photo shoot today in the morning. She enjoyed it a lot. It is so cute. I enjoyed it. I bought it from a shop outside Mall, not from online. It was really very affordable. I bought it for around 600 rupees only. So that is her. I have kept her ethnic wear, party wear down. These are some of her caps, booties and mittens, some aprons, and these are again daily wear sheets which I keep in her cradle or wherever she sleeps in her sleep bed. So this is her wardrobe, guys. How did you like it? I hope you all liked it a lot because I love it. In fact, I love arranging it every day for my baby, but of course I don't arrange it daily as I go to work. I arrange it on my holidays. My baby loves it. My baby loves it. Whenever I arrange, I keep my baby beside me. She loves to see her clothes. She crawls over it. She loves to take it, grab it, and enjoy it a lot. So friends, I hope you liked it all. I definitely suggest all the new parents to buy this because it makes their parenting exciting. It definitely excites you to buy new clothes for your babies and to arrange it systematically and keep it in a disciplined way. So guys, this is it for now. I'll come back to you with another video very soon. Thank you so much. So that's it. That is my Jullu's wardrobe. She's 5 months old. She enjoys. Whenever I arrange her clothes, I keep her beside me. She keeps watching it. She loves her clothes. She just rolls on it and crawls over it. It's wonderful to see babies like that. I hope this was useful to some of you at least. You can buy this one from Amazon.com at a very cost-effective rate. You can arrange it, you can enjoy your motherhood, you can enjoy your parenthood. And if you have some more ideas for me, you can definitely share with me, comment, like. And I wish all of you a very wonderful parenting. And I wish you all the best for your parenting. Please do comment, do share with me. I request all of you to subscribe this channel. I would like to come forward to you with more ideas of how to take care of your baby. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye bye.